From the years 1948 until 1976, Quezon City became the capital of the Philippines, not only in terms of politics, but also in terms of entertainment and amusement. Ako po si Carlos Celdran, and this is another episode of Kwentong Kanto about Cubao.
Ayon sa ilang historian, ang lugar daw na ito ay dating paliguan ng kalabaw at sinasabi nilang maaaring dito nakuha ang pangalang Cubao.
Then by the 1960s and 70s, when Manila was getting a little bit too crowded, Cubao became the premier place where a family could come to watch a movie, get something to eat, or even have shoes made in a place like Soliman, which has been open since 1970.
Noong 1952, binili ni Jorge Amado Araneta ang ilang bahagi ng lupain ng Cubao. He envisioned this particular place to become the premier entertainment hub of the country. At ito ngayon, ang Araneta Center. And the first structure he built was the Araneta Coliseum. After that, dahan-dahan nang nagsulputan ang ilan pang mga establishments tulad ng Farmers Plaza na tinayo noong 1969, sinundan ng Farmers Market noong 1972. At noong taong 1975, the first fully air-conditioned mall was built here called Ali Mall, kung saan ipinangalan ito sa sikat na boxer na si Muhammad Ali. Dekada 70 rin nang itayo ang cash on delivery or COD dito sa Cubao. Naging sikat ang department store na ito dahil sa kanilang Christmas display. It had moving mannequin displays that performed on top of the facade of the building. It was first shown in their downtown Avenida Rizal branch, pero nagsara ito. It was transferred to Cubao. Aside from malls and department stores, movie houses also began to mushroom in the area. First on this list is the New Frontier Cinema. Ito ang sinahan na may pinakamodernong at pinakamalaking air conditioning system at ang pinakamagandang sound system. Kung si Joe Frazier ang kalaban ni Ali, ang New Frontier naman ang kalaban ni Ali Mall. Next on the list is Nation Cinerama. Ipinagmamalaki ng sinehang ito noong 1960s dahil sa kanilang modern cinerama format. It is the niche movie format during that time, which is in the same way what IMAX is today. Ilan pa sa mga sikat na sinahang itinayo dito ay ang Quezon Theater, Ocean Theater, Sampaguita Theater, and ACT Theater. Taong 1990, itinayo naman ang libreng sine sa labas ng Farmers Plaza. Tinawag itong Spectavision na idinevelop ng isang filmmaker na si Eddie Mayo. Technically, Spectavision is an outdoor advertising medium. Una itong itinayo sa Quiapo. Kadalasan, mga lumang pelikula ang ipinapalabas dito tulad ng mga lumang pelikula ni FPJ. Pero sabi nga nila, all good things must come to an end. Kasabay ng progreso ng teknolohiya ang pagkabagsak naman ng mga sinehang ito. Ang ilang sa kanila ay pilit pa rin nakikipagsapalaran tulad ng Remar at Alta Cinema.
And although the last full show may have ended for these movie theaters here in Cubao, new malls, new restaurants, and new developments still keep Cubao as the premier place to be to amuse yourself in the city of Manila. Ako po si Carlos Celdran, and this is another episode of Kwentong Kanto.